Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anuradha and today in this video I will show you what is array for each loop. So here this loop is very important loop, and mostly when we do e-commerce site, even any other site, so that time we use this loop. So I will go to the HTML file and I will show the syntax and why we use for each loop. So here you can see I have one array. This array contains some number values, and here the syntax is this one. So here first array means for me this one num, and the method name for each, then it is taking a function, another function, then current value, index and array, 3 parameters. Okay, so this is the syntax of for each loop. So now using this syntax I will write my own syntax for this num array. So here first array, so for me array means num. And what about those parameters, that I will explain also. First I will write the syntax. So num, then dot for each. So I will write for each. Okay. And after that parenthesis, you can see one parenthesis started, and here function, and here I will take another parenthesis, and here I will take curly braces. So now this is the syntax. Now in this parenthesis it taking 3 parameters. So parameter name, it can be anything, whatever you want, but always try to write the relevant name. So here first parameter, parameter denotes position wise. So here if I write first parameter name current value, so here it will current value means it all those array values. Okay, but if you write here any other name, so that mean also it will be a all array values, means whatever parameter name you will write in the first, so that will denote all array values, and whatever value you will write in the second position, that will denote as an array index. So what is array index? So array index means it start from 0 and it will count entire array values. If I count only array values, so here you can see like it is 5 values, but if I count index, so it will start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so index is 4. So now here array means entire array. So using this for each loop we can do many things. So here same way I will write all those parameter name. So I will copy from here because I am trying to write the relevant, but if you want you can write here simply value, index, array, or instead of index you can write I, here you can write ARR, anything you can write. So if you write like this way, so value means it will be all those value, index means it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like, and array means entire array. If you want here to write I, and here if you want to write value, so that means now I means entire value, and now val means index. Okay, means it works as a position wise, means first position means value, second position means index, third position means entire array. So that's why here see if I write like this way, so everyone will confuse. So I means if everyone will consider it's a index, and they will think like for this one index, but actually not. First means it will be a value. So that's why I am saying always try to write the relevant name. Okay, so now here suppose if I console, so syntax all I hope you understood, and this arg means this callback function. So here, and this is optional, and here I'm not going to focus this one because first of all this is optional, we don't use, and here I haven't completed the callback function, so that's why I'm not going to focus this one. Okay, and even though this is not important also. So now I will remove the this syntax because we understood that one. Now we'll see what we can do using for each loop. So first of all value. So I will console the value first. So console.log and val. Now if I go to the browser, so here you can see each value displaying one by one. So if you want to multiply with 2, so let's see what will happen. See, each value multiplied by 2. So you can multiply array values, even in some other thing also you can do. Here just I have given one example. So now I means index. Okay, index So if I console this one, so you can guess and you can write in the comment section what will be the output. If your output will be like 0 1 2 3 4 like this, so it will display, you are correct. So here you can see 0 1 2 3 4. So using index you can do many things also, like here you can write value. If I console value means you know already 1 2 3 4 5. Suppose from this value I want to display index like this, so you can check any condition like value I, if it is greater than 40, that time you can console like if condition, you can write many things you can do. Okay, if condition even I haven't completed, so it should not be right here because you will be confused. So many things you can do here. Okay, so arr means it will give you the entire array. So save and see, it is giving entire array, but it is giving 5 times because for each means it's a loop, so it is looping 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 times it's giving the entire array. Okay, so that's why it is printed 5 times. So this is the for each loop. So I hope it is clear. If you still have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Even you can follow me in Insta ID, and Insta ID will get in the description. And if you want to get more updates, so you can subscribe my channel.